Guys, today we're going to do a quick run through of the exterior of the 750D, known as the Rebel T6i in the States. So first we're going to just clear up that this is a battery grip on the bottom, so the model is not that big at all. It's a very compact camera, but well worth the money and takes great shots. We'll start with the top layer, which here has your built-in flash, which you can access through the side, and it is pop-up. Then you'll have your shooting button, your dials with several different settings, automatic settings if you're not used to shooting in manual, and various different ones, which makes it better to your style. You have the off, the on and the video setting, and you have your display. If you want to display on the screen, you can access your ISO from here also, and you have your zoom in and your zoom out. So once we get to the back of the camera, you have this touch screen which does fold out either way, front and back, or you can just have it down, or if you don't want the screen to get scratched, which I find is easier, to put it inside when you're not using it. On here we have the live view button, where you can access the screen, and then you have these buttons here. One is menu, one is info. This is in case you just want to get any information on your shot when you access through here. So you'll click info and it will be able to give you all your details that you need from that shot. And the menu just lets you access and add your specific touches. Wi-Fi function, this camera does in fact connect to Wi-Fi, and you connect it to your iPhone or to your phone or tablet, laptop, computer, anything you like, and you can send the images directly to you. You can even print or transfer between anything. Then we come back, we're on the menu again. You have all your settings. You come onto here, you have your other buttons, display, delete, all your other ones. Once you come to the side of the camera, you have your SD card port, which you just pop in, pop out. Along this side we have your HDMI input. We also have the mic input, which is very good for DSLRs. It's a great starting camera for YouTubers, beginners in any sort, but this does not mean that you can't use it at a professional level, because it's very smart, compact, and it does get a good shot. It goes up to a high ISO of 12,800 and a shutter speed of 30 seconds to 4,000 seconds. This does take EF and EFS lens mounts, which is very useful, as that is the best of the two for Canon. The body is very easy to hold, very soft, not very easy to scratch, and just an easy camera to take around with you. Other than that, it's a very good camera. There's a hot shoe at the top where you can connect your accessories and access anything through there. And that's all.